Need some motion light in your life? Check these out. Okay, what's in the box? LED cabinet lights. Made in China. Got some kind of user-friendly manual. There you have it, the 3. And then I've got little adhesive stickers. Can go on the back like so. So to open sensor to turn on counterclockwise, close clockwise for motion sensor. Does not work daytime. Works at night. I like that. Can work at night. No work daytime. Does pick up someone running. So the main reason is I want to put one of these in my fridge, because at night when I open my fridge there is no light. Remember, I have an old school van. And then I wanted to put one under my cabinet so I could see where my dishes are in my pantry. And then I thought about putting the 3rd one on the outside of the van when boondocking. I can just have this and it'll detect any kind of animal or intruder. So let's see how they work. To open and close, this pops off. Yep, that pops off. Okay, takes 3 AAA batteries. So this bad boy works. Batteries in, automatically comes on right away. Let's see how long it takes for it to shut off from motion detection. Okay, it's a little darker outside. Let's see if my outside motion light comes on. That's a good thing. I like that. Let's go in the inside of the camper and let's see if the light comes on in the refrigerator. That's nice. Let's see how it comes on in the pantry door here. Nice. I've noticed that I may have to adjust these closer, because I notice if they're back further, it takes them a little longer to come on. Try it back out here once again. All right, I'm coming outside, and there it goes. And of course I wouldn't leave this out here, only when boondocking, because it has a magnet on the back. And the magnets on the back, they're okay. I might add a little bit more of a powerful magnet on the back so I can just put this, you know, anywhere. But even this light, the internal one, it's an LED light anyways, so it really doesn't take up a lot of power. But I do like that this is motion detecting. Kind of cool for 12 bucks. So a cool little motion light, not much bigger than a hockey puck, but it does the trick. And you can put these pretty much anywhere with a magnet, or put adhesive and stick it to the wall. Made by Vont, V-O-N-T. I'll leave a description below. You can get yourself some. Meanwhile, till the next video, catch y'all later. Bye.